Having a pool can be a lot of fun, but it can be a lot of work too, especially on a windy day. So luckily, AIPER came up with a solution. Full disclosure, these pool vacs were sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. They have the Scuba S1 Pro. Not only will this thing clean the bottom of your pool, it'll also clean your pool walls. And then for the top of your pool, they have the Surfer S1. This thing will clean all the leaves and debris off the top of your pool. All right, let's go ahead and put these things in the pool and see how they work. This thing's got a nice handle on it, so I can put it over here where I want it. So this top one right here, that's to do both. That'll clean the floors of your pool and it'll clean your walls. And then you can just do your floors over here, or you can just do the walls, or you can do an eco mode, which will come on like every once in a while, every day to clean it. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the power on here. It said hold it down for 2 seconds. But we're gonna go ahead and do both right here with the first one. Gonna put it in the pool here, but first, make sure your back is covered really good so that no water or anything gets in there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it there in the pool. It'll just need to fill up with water and sink down to the bottom to get started. I think it's supposed to just sit there for a minute or so, and then once it's ready, it'll get going.
Once this thing gets going, it can really move. Look at that. But it does need to be fully submerged in water. We have this big bench right here, and this thing will climb right up there, but once it gets to the top of the bench, it'll stop because it doesn't have enough water to run the jet. But this is pretty cool because it'll stop for a minute there, and then it'll figure out it can't run here, so then it'll just reverse and go back down to the pool and get back to work. So yeah, this thing actually is pretty smart. They're not just saying that because it has an app. The app is pretty cool though. You actually get a few more features on the app. You get another cleaning setting on the app. You can tell it to just clean the walls. On this mode that we're on right now, where it does walls and floors, it'll go around the pool and clean the walls, and then it'll clean all the stuff off the floors too. So this is my favorite setting right here. Alright, I'm going to take it over here to the steps. If you just have steps in your pool and you don't have this big bench right here, it'll just go up to the steps right here and then it'll stop. But yeah, look at the brushes on here. These brushes are really nice. It's got the brush on the bottom here, and then it's got the brush on the top here, and it's also got the Traxel clean too. These things feel pretty nice here. This is pretty good quality. Here's a close-up of the brushes here. Not only do these brushes clean, you also got the Trax on here too. These will also scrub your floor and your steps and everything here. So yeah, this has got a lot of ways to clean your pool. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the Surfer 1 pool skimmer robot. There's the AIPER Scuba again. It looks like it made its way back up to this top step here. Alright, well this big area is pretty shallow, so this is a good place to start with the Surfer S1. You want to make sure your pool's water level's high enough here that this won't get stuck on your top step if you have a big area like this. Alright, to get this thing started, we're going to go ahead and just turn it on. Just hit the play button there. And there it goes. Now it's just going to go off and go skim around the pool. There's also an app on here. If you want to control it with a remote control on the app, you can control the direction it goes. But it seems to do pretty good on its own here. Let's go around the pool and clean up all the stuff off the top there. Yeah, there it goes. Another nice thing about the app is it'll tell you the water temperature. So that's pretty nice. It tells you how warm your pool is, especially for us because we had a lot of problems with the thermometer. The thermometer would get stuck in the old pool vacs, and so we had to take it off the wall. So it's really nice to have it built into the skimmer here. Alright, well the pool's looking pretty dirty here, so I'll just let the AIPER Surfer S1 just go around the pool here and clean up as much of this stuff as it can. And then we'll check it out and see how it does. One of the big problems with robot pool skimmers is they leave a lot of debris on the side of the pool and it'll accumulate along the water line. So AIPER has a solution for that with the Scuba S1 Pro. Has a waterline mode where it'll climb up to your pool to the water line here and it'll clean all the way around your water line. It's just cleaning the tiles up right here. You can see how the Trax and the brush all work together here to clean the tiles. Yeah, look at that. It's got all the debris and everything off the tiles that would stick there, all the leaves and pollen that would stick on here. It's just scrubbing all that right off of here. So yeah, this thing does a really good job.
Alright, let's see what's here inside the Surfer. Alright, to open this thing up, I think you just push this button on the back here, and then you can pull it open here and see what's inside. Here's the pool basket here. Let's see what it's vacuumed up. Here's
There's everything it collected here. Got all these leaves and all that pollen. Pretty thick. Got a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, look at that. To take the Scuba S1 Pro out of the pool, comes with this hook right here. You just put this hook on the end of your pool pole right here, and then you can just pull it out. You just take the hook down there and you just put it on the handle right there, and you can just pull it out. You see the light's red on there, that means it's done. Alright, we'll go ahead and look and see what's inside here. Alright, there it is. Got some sticks in here. It's got some crud there that looks like the pollen from the palm fronds up there. And then it's got some leaves and some sand. Palm tree, those palm fronds up there, those seed pods, causing a lot of problems getting in the pool there. But yeah, it did a really good job. This thing's pretty nice. Let's see how the filter did. Oh yeah, filter did a great job too. Yeah, the Scuba S1 Pro is pretty nice. Does a really good job of helping me keep my pool clean. And the AIPER Surfer S1 does a great job too. It's a great combo.